Good evening, everyone. Today is our day 9 of this 3 weeks basics computer training. And as always, we are going to start by showing the outlines for today. And here the outlines goes like this. Recap on the 8, then menu bar slash insert. So it means today we are going to talk about that. Then questions and answers, then conclusion. So recap on the 8th. On the 8th, we talk about the most important parts of Home tab, where we talk about how to customize our text, how to put bullet point, how to indent our text, and rest of things. So today we are going to talk about insert function. We are going to talk about insert tab. We are going to talk about insert. So this is our Microsoft Word page. This is our Microsoft Word page. Now we are going to so this is our insert tab. This is our insert tab. Now we are done with home page. We are done with home tab yesterday. Now today we are going to start talking about insert tab. So inside insert tab we have a lot of things, but we're going to talk about the most important ones of them. Then and continue. So the first thing we are going to talk about is table, how to insert a table, how to insert a table. So if you want to insert a table, you just go to this place and just select the total number of rows you want, total number of columns, and total number of rows. Let's say we need 5 columns. Let's say maybe 5 columns, 4 rows, for example. Or let me just say so. These are the total number of rows and columns I want. So you see, for instance, let's say I want to create a timetable. I want to create a timetable for my school. So now after having designed this, I will just start writing, let's say day slash uh, day slash time, for instance. So I will be writing the days here. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. So So you see now, the reason why I didn't put the last one is I want to show you, if you want to maybe add another this thing, if you want to add another another row, you just come to the last column of your row, and just hit tab. Once you hit tab, another row with 5 columns will automatically appear, and you write what you want to write. So now we are going to write Friday. So you see, these are our 5 days. Now the next thing I want to do is just to adjust their width. Maybe I want to adjust their width. All I will do is just to highlight them all. Then I will just come to this side and just drag them down a little bit. You see, I'm dragging them down a little bit. You see. So you see, I've just dragged them down a little bit to increase their what? To increase their height. So the next thing is time. The next thing is time. Let's say 8 to 10. 10 to 12, then 12 to 130, 12 to 130. Oh, let's say I have break time here, then I have 2 to 4. Let's say I have break time and I have 2 to 4. So you see I've created this timetable like this. Now maybe I will change the font style and the font size. So the font style, like I just want to change the font style. So now if I want to change the font style, I will just come here and use Palatino, for example. So you see, so maybe I want to centralize this column. Sorry, maybe I want to centralize the whole data in the row. So all I will do is just, let me come layout. After coming to layout, I will just click on this. Let me highlight. So I will just click on this, you see. Then maybe if I want them to be at the center, I will just click on this. So you see, I just so I will do the same thing for this ones. Also, I will do the same thing for them. Uh yeah, I have, yes. So that is it for this. Now the next thing is I want to write break. I want to write break. I want to write break here. Let me just write my break time here. But I don't want to see all this one, these lines. I want to get rid of them. So if I want to get rid of them, I will just come and pick my eraser. After picking my eraser, I will just delete this. I will delete this. I will delete this. I will delete this, and I will delete this. So you see, I've automatically created my break column. Maybe I can change the text direction. I can change the text direction so I can increase the what do you call it? The height, sorry, the font size of the this text. So you see, I've successfully created my timetable. So this is how you can simply create your timetable. You can create anything you want by just going to insert, or you want to, if you want to delete anything, or you want to remove any part of the table, you can just simply select this eraser and delete whatever you want to delete. So the next thing after inserting table is inserting a shape. Inserting a shape. So let's say I want to insert a shape. I want to insert a shape. So all I will do here is just to come to this. Excuse me, let me escape from this. So now I want to insert a picture. So all I will do is just to come here and choose the picture I want. You see this from this device. I don't want to select from internet. I want to select from the device. So let me just choose this picture of. So you see, I've selected my picture. So you see this picture that I've just selected now. I want to move it somewhere. I want to move it here. You see, I can't move it. I can't move it down. I can't move it up. I can't move it anywhere. So why? Because I didn't wrap. So if I want to move it wherever I want to move it, if I want to move it wherever I want to move it, I will just um I will have to wrap the text. I will have to wrap it then so that I can move it wherever I want to move it. Okay. So you see, now I can just right click on this, then go to wrap text. Then I will just click on this in front of text. So now I can move it wherever I want to move it. I can move it left, down, wherever I want to move it. I can simply move it since I wrap it in front of the text. So I can just put it wherever I want to put it. So this is the advantage of this uh wrapping in front. You are going to wrap it in front of your text. So the next thing after inserting a picture, the next thing after inserting a picture is inserting a shape. Maybe I want to insert a particular shape, be it a rectangle, square, and what have you. So all I will do is just to come here and select the shape I want to insert. Maybe after selecting this, I will just draw it the way I want to draw it. You see, I've drawn my shape. Maybe I want to change the color or whatsoever. So whatsoever I want to change, I can simply change it. But now, maybe let's say I want to use this shape and create the shape of this battery, laptop battery. So all I will do after selecting this shape, I will come again and select another shape. I will come again and select the same shape. So you see, now I've selected the same shape, but so this thing, the next thing is this inside this shape. I want to fill it with what? With a color which then is black color. Maybe I want to fill it with black color so that it looks like exactly like the uh progress of my battery. So you see, I've just filled it with black color. Let me fill it. So you see, I've just filled it with a black color. So the next thing is just this what do you call it, this head of the battery. So also I will also choose the same shape also to I can just, yeah. So I can also choose the same fill. So you see, I've just chosen the same field. So now you see, I've used different kind of shapes to create one single this thing. So now I want to harmonize them. I want to merge them inside to be a single shape. So all I will do is just to select this, select this shape. After I select this, then I'll hold control and then select this one also. If you want to select on you can't select until it show you this arrow with plus, then you click on select, then you click on, then you choose this one also, you select, then you right click. After right clicking, you will see group, then you grouping, then you group them. So now you see I've grouped them. So now it's just a single shape. I can move it wherever I want to move it, and it's going to move uh together. So this is how you can create, how you can simply insert a shape. You can use shape to draw a lot of things. There are different kind of shape. We have circle, we have sphere, we have what different, you see, different, these are different kind of shapes we have. You can design a lot of things with them. So the next thing is this text box. I supposed to have just delete the text box before I delete this shapes. But anyways, now this we are going to this text box. So now I have just selected my text box. I want to start writing. Maybe I want to write Hammer Technologies and Consultancy Limited. So you see, I've just created I just wrote something inside. So you see this thing I've just wrote, I can edit it, I can customize it, I can change the font size, font style, and change it and move it to wherever I want to move it. Let me just take times New Roman. Let me increase the size, the width of the text box. So you see, I can move it wherever I want to move it. And maybe I don't want anybody to know that this is a text box. I can simply change the color field, which is a background color of the text box. And also I can also change the outline. This is the outline. This is the outline of the text box. This line, this is the outline, and this is the background color or color field. The color field is white. The outline is black. So now I want to change the outline to be none. I don't want it to be having the outline so that nobody will know I'm using a text box anymore. So you see, I just remove the outline. Then also the color field, I will just say no field. You see, if I want to change it to red, it has been changed to red, yellow, blue, green, whatsoever, but I don't want it to reflect with any color. All I will do is to um just make it to no fill, and you see, so it has no fill. Whatever fill, wherever you put it, it will just, the background color will just reflect that. So that means the background color is just a transparent background color. So that is this for text box. So the next thing I think we insert is we can insert a header and footer. Let's say I have many pages, and I want them to have to bear the same header. Maybe the header would be Hammer Technologies. So all I would do is just come to this header. I will just come to this header and select. Let me just select this blank header. So now I will just type maybe Hammer Technologies. So you see, I've just wrote Hammer Technologies. If there is any modification you want to make, be it a font size, font style, or font color, you can do it. So you see this Hammer Technologies, it will appear everywhere in each and every page. So even if you see, so this is the end of my page. Maybe let's say I created another page. You see, the name of Hammer Technologies will already appear in each and every page I just created. So you see, it always appears in each and every name I want to create it. So the next thing is footer. Footer is more or less like opposite of the header. It appears at the downside, but it also appears in every page, So this is footer. Now let me just see, what am I going to write? Let's say prepared by Ahmad. So you see, so all the pages in each and every page, let me close the footer. So in each and every page, now you will see prepared by Ahmad, prepared by Ahmad. If I copy, you see prepared by Ahmad, you see prepared by Ahmad. So in each and every page, you will see that prepared by Ahmad, prepared by Ahmad. So that is the footer. The next thing is you can insert also a page number. If you want to insert a page number, this is where you are going to come and choose do you want it to be at the top, or you want it to be at the bottom, or you want it to be at the page margin, or what. So all I want, let me just, normally we use it at the bottom. So I'll just select this one at the middle, bottom at the middle. So you see, it just gave me page 3. It will just automatically select this. You see page 2, page 1, and what. So even if you have thousand pages, it will just keep giving them numbers, not without even writing anything. Once you select the page number, the type of page number you want, it will automatically um reflect. So that is it for the page number. And I think with this we come to the end of this insert we come to the end of this insert for insert function. Thank you very much for listening and have a wonderful night.